if you own one of these products, this one here is it's called a Ready Remote. Okay, they also go by a couple other brands. One of them is Design Tech. Design Tech is no more. They got bought out by DEI, Directed Electronics. Then they started calling this stuff Auto Command. Now they call it Ready Remote. Make up your mind, people. You know. So anyway, what I'm going to show you in this video is I'm going to explain to you how you can program or relearn your existing, or if you're buying replacement transmitters for this system, I'm going to use this manual here and I'm going to go over how to program most of the popular ones. Basically, if I don't have it here in my video, don't freak out. Doesn't mean that you can't do it. Just means that I'm too lazy to go grab all my remotes, because there are a lot of these things. Okay, but the book does explain two different types of scenarios. One of them where it comes with a 3-button transmitter, like I got. There's a 3-button. What an ugly looking remote. Even the remote is kind of gay looking. The light, my gosh. That's a 3-button. This one's very popular. 3-button, again, equally ugly. Design Tech. See, this was the Design Tech. So that was the original, old school. This one here was the Auto Command. This here is going to be another Auto Command, another 3-button job. And then we got this guy, the Deluxe 5-button. Okay, so in here I have to illustrate not just one but two different ways to program the remotes. The way it works is the programming sequence is going to work the same, except when you're actually going to have to click the button to learn the code to the system. On the 3-button you have to hit a certain button. On the 5-button, a Deluxe, you have to hit a different button. So here's how you do it. What you got to do is you got to find your control switch. Your installer located this somewhere under your dash, most likely. Just a little flip toggle switch. Has a little black word says off, another one says on. The instructions are telling us turn the control switch to the on position. You have to get under your dash. You have to depress this little red button located right there on this middle part of that module. Push that one time. Then the dash lights are going to come on for 1 second. The vehicle's ignition and accessory wires come on. So while you're holding the transmitter about 3 feet away from the brain of the module, on a 5-button remote, you're going to hit the lock or unlock. Again, on the Deluxe, the lock or the unlock. If you are using the 3-button, you're going to want to use the start button. So whichever button on your remote is the one you use to start the vehicle, that's the one you use for the 3-button transmitter. You're going to do that for however many remotes you have. The system will learn up to 4 different codes. After you're done hitting the buttons on your remotes, you can either leave the vehicle alone, wait for the lights to go out, or you can just turn the key on, it'll exit programming, and that's it. Simple. Easy as pie.